So in extension to this video, I'm going to show you that there is also a start run capacitor that's up in the attic as well in the air handler. So what you do is you take the main panel off. This panel has this type of two knobs. Turn them and the thing pops off. Then what you do is to get to the blower motor, you basically need to take the panel off right here. It's right there on the side. So it's got the tape on it, so just cut the tape and then you'll be able to take it off. Here we don't have a dual capacitor. This is a single 10 farad capacitor. It was sitting in this housing. Again, first thing you do is unplug the cord, short the wires, and then remove the bolt or screw that's holding this place so that we can remove this. Please keep in mind you do want to remove this before you check the farads, otherwise you will not get an accurate rating. So as you can see, this is at 10 plus or minus 6%. So 0.6 is all we're allowed to be off. So let me get this removed so that I can show you the measurements. So I've got this removed. I'm on the farads units, so we're just going to go ahead and hold this on here. So 9.8. So we're only allowed to be off by 0.6%, which means 0.6. So 9.4 was too low. So anyhow, we're at 9.8, so we're good. But I'm going to buy one of these also and keep them on hand. It's cheap insurance for when the air handler stops working. So that's about it. So basically this is good enough. Doesn't matter which side goes on what side, and we should be good. That's basically it. So thank you for watching, and I hope this was helpful.